Hey guys, thank you for watching The Nice Guy. My name is Awais and today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5 in gold. It comes with a camel sport loop, so this will be interesting. Without further ado, let's unbox this. Actually, before we unbox this, go check out my unboxing for the Apple Watch editions, the titanium one and the ceramic one. And also go check out the unboxing for iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 11 Pro. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and share the video. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. On top of the box you have Apple Watch written. It's a cutout so you actually can feel it. It's engraved. We can see it says Series 5 gold stainless steel 40mm and it comes with a camel sport loop. Usually I buy the aluminium casing Apple Watch, but this time around I've also bought quite a few, and this is the stainless steel one. So without waiting any longer, let's open this. Do you know what this reminds me of? The actual fan inside the MacBook. I don't know if you know, I'll put a picture up. This is what I was on about in the previous video. The box is all colourful compared to the titanium and the white. It's white and black respectively. Because this is the stainless steel gold Apple Watch, this here is the actual size of the 40mm Apple Watch. The skin is raised so you can actually feel the design on the box. And it's also in gold color. And here is the two-tone color hook sport loop. This is the camel. Looks pretty nice. This is the fun bit. 2 points for me. This is the second time I've done this. Really clean. Okay, so we have the Apple Watch here. And we have designed by Apple in California. It's a lot thinner compared to the Watch Edition one. You get the wall charger. You also get the inductive charging. This is a little heavier, you can actually feel the weight. One thing I have noticed is that this fabric here color matched to the watch that you get. So when I unboxed the ceramic one, it was actually white, and then titanium one was grey, I believe. And this is sort of gold-ish color, because obviously you have the gold Apple Watch. But that's pretty interesting how Apple puts all these detail in their product. And that's what makes it so nice to unbox an Apple product. So let's just take this out. Okay, it's powering on. This will complement the iPhone Pro in rose gold. Or gold, really go well with that. So if you like the gold, obviously you can buy this. I wish they kind of still carried over the gold in the iPhone 11 and iPhone 10R, but they didn't. So this is the Apple Watch powered on. Show you, this is the side. You can see how reflective it is. This is the back of it. So as you can see, I've got a Series 4 Apple Watch just here. So if I put it next to that, it's pretty much the same size, slightly thicker, a lot heavier. Other than that, pretty much identical. So if you buy the Watch Edition or stainless steel, they are all LTE enabled. Unlike the aluminium ones where you get an option whether you want it to be LTE or you don't. Whereas with these you don't actually get an option. So they come like that. So they're quite expensive. They do start around £400 or £500. Then you have the titanium one for £800. And then you have the ceramic one for £1,200. These are just starting prices. They do go up depending on which bands you buy. So always check that out. So you might always think that, oh, you're going to buy like a £500 Apple Watch, but then you kind of pick the wrong or expensive band and you end up paying a little bit more. So always check that out. So I have two spare bands here. So I've got a silver Milanese loop and then a normal sport band. So let's just try this blue one on. Normally it's an odd color to try this on with. You wouldn't put a blue and a gold together. Feels really nice. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'm not too keen on the gold color. I've always preferred the aluminium one, but I didn't even like the titanium one, to be honest. Usually I like the darker colors as well, like space black or space gray, but I don't like the titanium one. But however, the ceramic white one is so nice. I mean, you have to go check that out in the Apple shop or buy one for yourself. That is one amazing Apple Watch. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and comment below. I will try and reply to you guys. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.